Everyone thinks the best-selling paint sprayer for cabinets is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, VONFORN 700W HVLP Spray Gun, Yellow. Let's kick things off with the VONFORN 700W HVLP Spray Gun in yellow. At just $42.49, this sprayer caught my attention for its budget-friendly price and rave reviews. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use sprayer for your cabinets, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, are perfect for getting that smooth, uniform finish you want on your cabinets. Plus, the dust-blowing feature is a must. It helps clear the surface before you spray, ensuring a professional look. With over 7,700 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, here's why this matters for you specifically. It's backed by a lot of real users who have been satisfied with their projects. Now, some people complained about the need for thorough cleaning, saying it can get messy if not maintained. Here's the thing though, if you follow the cleaning instructions, it really isn't a deal breaker. It's a common issue with many sprayers out there. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer looking to spruce up your cabinets without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're a professional who needs something more advanced. Now, if the cleaning hassle worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VONFORN 700W HVLP Spray Gun, Blue. Next up is another VONFORN 700W HVLP spray gun, this time in blue, priced at $41.99. Just like its yellow sibling, it boasts the same impressive features which caught my eye. It has the same 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns, perfect for different projects from cabinets to fences. The adjustable flow control helps prevent paint waste and ensures that you're getting that clean finish you dream of. With the same 4.3-star rating and 7,700 reviews, it's a reliable choice for anyone looking to do some painting. However, some users mentioned that it can be a bit heavy for extended use. Look, that might be a concern if you're tackling a large project in one go, but most people find it manageable for smaller tasks. This is ideal for anyone needing a sprayer that's easy to operate. If you're more focused on lightweight options for long-term projects, you might want to keep looking. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for a more varied painting experience. Product number 3, ELPIO HVLP Spray Gun. Now let's chat about the ELPIO HVLP Spray Gun, priced at just $27.99. Honestly, this one surprised me because it packs a punch for its price. With the same 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns, it's great for all sorts of projects from cabinets to fences. The dust-blowing feature is there too, helping to ensure a clean workspace. With a solid 4.2-star rating from about 472 reviews, it's an affordable option that doesn't compromise too much on quality. Now the downside, it doesn't have as many accessories in the package compared to the VONFORN models. But here's the thing, if you're just starting out, this is a minor issue. You can always pick up those extras separately later. This is perfect for beginners who want to dive into painting without spending a lot. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or additional accessories from the get-go. Now, if you need something a bit more powerful, wait until you see this next option. Product number 4, Homeright C800971 Super Finish Max. Moving on to the Homeright C800971 Super Finish Max, priced at $67.14. This one really stood out with its versatility. This sprayer offers 450 watts of power, which means it can handle a wider range of materials from latex paints to stains. You can adjust the spray patterns with ease, allowing for both large coverage and detailed work. With a 4.4-star rating from over 10,500 reviews, it's definitely a crowd favorite for a reason. However, some users found it a bit complicated to set up initially. I'll be real with you, if you're not comfortable with a bit of tinkering, it might take you some time to get used to it. This is great for DIY enthusiasts who appreciate versatility and power in their tools. Skip this if you want something that you can just plug in and use right away without any setup. Now, If the complexity of that one didn't deter you, the next option is a great alternative for ease of use. Product number 5. VONFORN 700W HVLP Spray Gun Dark Green. Lastly, we have another VONFORN 700W HVLP spray gun, but this time in dark green, priced at $42.48. It's similar to the first two, but with a fresh color. This sprayer also comes with 4 nozzles and 3 spray patterns, ensuring you can tackle any painting task with ease. Plus, it has the same cleaning convenience that we loved in the earlier models. It has a solid 4.3-star rating from 7,700 reviews, which speaks volumes. The downside, some users reported needing to be careful about the paint viscosity, too thick and it can clog. But look, this is something you can manage with a bit of practice, and it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable and easy-to-use sprayer that looks good too. Skip this if you're not keen on monitoring your paint's thickness. To wrap up, all 5 paint sprayers have their own strengths. From the budget-friendly VONFORNs to the powerful Homeright, you have options that fit different needs and projects. Choose according to your comfort level and project scope. In summary, the VONFORN models are fantastic entry points, especially for those on a budget. The ELPIO offers great value for beginners, while the Homeright provides power for more complex projects. Each sprayer has its quirks, but with the right choice, you'll be painting cabinets like a pro in no time.